Hi everyone, this is Casey with Pure Performance Motorcycles. We have Herm again working on a fast Johnnie edition 2023 Harley Davidson, and we actually have only 17 miles on this bike. No, 70 miles.
70 miles, yep.
So what we're doing with this motorcycle is we're putting another cam in it. It's going to be a stage 2. We have also included in that, and this time we're putting an S&S manifold, a cast manifold, replacing the plastic kind of, I'm not sure what to call this, but Harley, don't like it. And looking forward to the results on this. It's 117 cubic inches. And the last one we did, I just finished that CVO, we had 138 foot-pounds of torque, just shy of 120 horse. So this has a horsepower Inc. exhaust, and we're looking to see what kind of results we get from that exhaust in this combination. Stay tuned. Thanks.